Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Welcome back to the showroom, virtually. Here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle, 2016 Hyundai Elantra GLS automatic package. This just came out of our detail shop. Boy, it is shining. Nate always does an amazing job for us. The guy is a wizard. So again, let's have a look at this car, show you some of the features. Got that really cool exhaust sport tip there. You got the upgraded GLS wheels. I'll show you the sunroof. It's got sunroof. You got the fog light package. Very nice car. Nice sunroof. So you can see everything's in nice shape. Yeah, transparency is key. I'm just gonna jump open this. I'm gonna show you the trunk really quick. So good sized trunk. We keep the mats back here until it's sold. Take those mats out. You got split folding rear seats. You got two levers there, boom boom. So again, you pull those levers towards you, go inside your back seats, fold those seats down so you can fold one or both, so you get a little bit extra space if you're doing a little project at home. Always handy to have that extra space. See, seats are all in nice shape. Carpets are in nice shape. You've got some cup holders here. So that's a nice feature to have for your passengers. You got one stage heated seats on the rear, on the outside seats. So again, nice feature for the passengers. It's got to be about the passengers sometimes, right? On the inside, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have locking rear windows as well. You have an adjustable driver's seat, so you can raise it up, down. You also can move the back support forward or backwards, and you have a lever underneath that you can move the seat from front to back. I'll jump in really quick. So you've got active eco, you can adjust your interior illumination, you have traction control which you can shut off. I'm going to turn this car on really quick. Remote starter, nice feature to have. Volume controls, Bluetooth hands-free calling, voice recognition on the left-hand side. On the right you got your cruise controls, you've got all your trip and mode here. So more mode, you can drive it in sport, comfort, or normal. It's got electric steering, so it adjusts your steering a little bit, so nice features. Okay. Cup holders, you got some auxiliaries and iPod plugins down there. You got heated seats, two-stage on both sides. You've got front rear defrost, air conditioning, which is to be expected. Your hazards are right here. Here's your infotainment center with a good size backup camera. XM capabilities, so if you have an XM satellite radio subscription, you can add it into this vehicle, or if you want to try one, you have the ability to do so. So again, nice vehicle. GLS, you got the upgraded sunroof, alloy wheels, fog lights, so lots of cool features. Don't miss out. Local trade. Call, text, or email us if you have any questions. And as always, you can shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs.